Mm. So here, what I'm gonna do. So here, this is my plan for tonight. I'm gonna recompose my setlist function right there. I'm gonna do a context for a theme because I've set up the function for that. And I'm gonna also set up Redux process to save the user data. After that, I think that's gonna be done. So here, this is the function I've created right there, the dog theme. And here I've changed a bit the design, and here too, like that. And here I've put the date of today. Mm-mm. Okay, so recompose. I'm maybe gonna need to do so here from recompose. I'm gonna need the width angler. Really? I'm gonna do this right after, and I'm gonna need to compose, I think. Now here I can do export default compose. Maybe not, because this thing it's oh yeah, so I just put like that. And now here what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna say width handler. Ooh, this thing it's a function, we'll take an object right there. And I can say select press. Not sure, but I think he take the props. Not quite sure. Yeah, it take the props. And so for the props here, I can just say props. And this one I can keep to say that's going to be the same kind of function. Not too sure that's going to still work. Undefined, yeah. But what have they done wrong? Maybe gonna just need to create like that. I mean, why not do like this show? Not like that. Mm. Hello, hello, how are you? Uh, what happened? Oh, I know why. I'm good too, I'm good too. With expect a map of order either function referred to. Oh, I maybe know why. It's because here I need to have another function who call another function like that. Okay. Mm-mm. Yeah, I think this way. Hey Evan, how are you? Are you on the train again? No, this thing is done. Oh, nice. I'm really happy to hear that. So now my plan, it's when I'm gonna click here, all the theme's gonna be white. So this is what I need to do. I have a question. I mean, if you don't want to learn Node and Express and stuff like that, you can just use React Native. And if you want kind of DB, you can check for Firebase. We're gonna surely help you to just understand a bit how you can work with outside API if you build a project. But for me, I mean, I'm learning by creating projects. So how I'm gonna handle this Redux, this theme stuff here. One of the thing I'm thinking right now, it's I can maybe just make use of it inside Redux. I know I can use context, but the thing about context, it's I mean, it's I don't want to get some kind of problem. But if I do this with Redux, I think that can go pretty well. So I'm gonna put a reducer called theme, who's gonna have all my colors. Yeah, I think Redux can be better than having that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a reducer inside my app. Yeah. And inside this one, I'm gonna have a themes. Who this one is gonna be dark, and I'm gonna import the color, and I'm gonna have light. It's gonna be the color. After that, I'm gonna just set up my state. I've set up here. For now, I'm gonna say object. What is the error? Okay. So here I have the theme. Tab bar colors. Yeah, good idea. Thing like this white, I don't need that. Tab bar color, I don't need that here. Light gray, I'm gonna keep it here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say color here is going to be slash color, like that. Inside my state, I'm gonna so you see what I'm gonna need to do. Let's take all the colors. I know it's a pain what I do, but that's gonna be winning at the end. Like that. So now when I go to my state, I can see that. About the internal storage amount, I'm gonna show that like almost right there. I'm gonna use Redux process, so that's gonna be something like you can learn. But they even have a good thing. The repo Awesome React Native have a lot of GitHub stuff that's really helpful. Okay, like that. We're almost good. So now here I have my theme. How can I manage it the way I want? Oh, why doing something like that when I can? So by default, I'm gonna use the themes that theme that dark. So that's gonna be by default. I'm gonna go back on the state. I'm gonna say this thing is gonna be equal to this thing, like that. And now what I'm gonna do, it's toggle theme. And I'm gonna say theme. It's gonna be themes. And here I'm gonna say if state dot Yeah, so this thing don't gonna have been changed, but so if state that dark theme it's true, here we're gonna push. So I'm gonna click back. So now that's gonna be light, else it's gonna be dark. So we're gonna see that gonna work. So now I have one theme. So card background 161C36. Now if I go there and I click here, boom, it worked. Oh, perfect. So now I'm gonna remove the debugger for now. So now example the nav bar navigation. So here now, I'm not sure about how I can. I'm gonna try something, but I'm not sure that's gonna work. I really don't like this way. Yeah, that's the thing. So how can I handle? What I've done now? Oh, I've delayed. Oh, finally, it was maybe gonna work. Oh, thank you, Amar. Yeah, thank you. Have a good night and take care, you too. And I really appreciate this kind of work. Thank you. Yeah, not work. This week cannot work. What I've done work now? Hmm. $48, $42. No, I never. I've used a React Router 4 like you. Yeah, me too. It's something like I would like to try, but I didn't touch the web for a long, long time. Yeah, I think that I can just go with that. Oh yeah, Boots Nut, it's awesome. I'm happy if you like it. Yeah, I really like Boots Nut too. I hope that's gonna work. That would be awesome. Oh my god. One sec. So screen props exist. Tab bar color of undefined. Yeah, not yet, man. Screen props. How can I test that? Oh yeah, Chris, I was in the Canadian Army for almost like 7 years. Yeah, I was a firefighter when I was younger, and now Army, and after that programmer. So never done programming before. Nothing relate to computer. Screen props. It's an empty object. Screen props. It's an empty object. Yeah, yeah. Programming. It's. But I love programming. It's it just. I was always like. Always like computer, but I was. Man, I don't want to go to the college and get a degree, and so when I see now you can become programmer without that, I was happy with this thing. The only thing I can maybe see is there. The one I'm looking right now, where I do the console log, it's inside the add coin. So if I take a look on the add coin, yeah, the only thing I got from there now it's I'm just a bit like disciplined, so like I'm wake up earlier and I code all day long and I don't understand how you make it work. Oh shit, he put it there. Oh, what I've just seen there. Oh, so now if all it's supposed to go like I think, now I will be able to um here get I can say props. I'm gonna say oops. I'm gonna say nav props. Where I'm gonna have here a screen props. Where I'm gonna have the theme inside that. And now I can say nav props. And now this thing is gonna be equal to props. like that. So now if everything is working, I just make the swipe because they just put it the new IDA. That's it. I just want to try it, and like this thing here, if you item IDA, they just released this thing here yesterday. So just want to try it, and for now it's okay. I mean, it's I've worked all day with that, so now if it's working now, I'm gonna remove the debugger. If it's working, yeah, it's working. For testing that, I need to say here props. Wow. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm happy. Yeah, but Sublime 3, I think, like for the past, at least a year, I think on beta. I'm not sure. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, the only thing is this thing. Oh man, if I put What? It's oh man. Hmm. Oh, so it's done. Maybe if this thing works, I'm gonna be good. Oh, what can I say? So finally, I can just take tab bar button, coming in from here. Like that. tab bar component. Okay, so now I've done this one. So now I think this one's gonna receive this thing as a props. Okay, so what I think it's so you're gonna receive here as a prop style. So we know we're gonna receive style. So now style here, what I can maybe say it's not quite sure is that gonna work. To be equal to state that app dot theme this thing looks like it worked now. But the thing is, it don't get my height because I think if I go here and I want to have an example at height of 80, so we're gonna see the change because I mean 80 it's gonna be pretty big. So what I think is if I want to do this, I'm gonna need to merge. Yeah, you see now it don't. I'm not sure if I say 160. You see, don't worry. So what I think, I should just put like that. Perfect. This thing is worked for this. After that, for my button here, that's gonna be inside the component. But now this one looks pretty good. Because this color don't never gonna change, so I'm good with that. So finally, I should do the same with the headers because here I'm gonna always copy paste myself. Yeah, maybe not yet, but so that here I'm gonna have the header title style. Hey Chris, oh, it took me 6 months, 7 months. So if it's dark, I want it to be like that. And if it's white, I want dark gray maybe. Welcome. I'm gonna change to the status bar. I don't gonna need any more this thing, but no. I think this thing would be better if I put that inside. I don't want to connect too much. This way. Yeah, but here that's gonna be like that, and this thing. Yeah. So now by doing this, my status bar at the top is gonna change the color, I think. So now if I go there, you see? Boom. So this thing is done. So now I'm gonna need to change. So I can surely change the provider of inside my app. Oops, not here. Inside my app right there. This is my problem. Is this theme here? So what I will do, it's say maybe say uh, get. I'm gonna say get theme, And this one's what's gonna do, it's I'm gonna take the star, so I'm gonna say cons equal star dot get state dot up, and I'm gonna get the dark theme, and I'm gonna say if dark theme, I'm gonna return theme dot dark, else I'm gonna return theme dot light. And now here I can say this that get theme. And it not work. Temp provider. Hmm. You know what? I think I'm gonna remove the temp provider. I'm gonna crash my app. If my app crash, I'm gonna just redo what I've done here, but I'm gonna go one by one and see if it works first. Because here I think that's gonna crash because style component gonna, yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna remove this thing. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over. So a good place where I can see it's gonna be in the setting place. So right there. So finally I'm gonna need to connect some of my theme, where I'm gonna say state.app.theme, and so here the root here, I'm gonna say style, and I'm gonna put right there, I'm gonna say background colors. It's gonna be equal this that props that theme dot, and that was card background, I think. Yeah, like that. After that, so now I can remove this one, and now card. But this one now is gonna be tab color. Perfect. And for this one, primary, so here the only thing I'm gonna need to change, it's white thumb, time color. So now, yeah, it's not that bad. I think for now at least. So this thing is done. So that I'm gonna do the circle. Thing that was inside my navigation. Add the add button. Background color. No, this one can keep. It's author add button. This thing here, right there. It's my problem. But who this button get called? Here. So now here what I'm gonna do. So the color here. Style of background colors. It's gonna be equal at props dot screen props dot theme dot tab bar colors. Now I can go here and remove this one. So now, perfect. So I'm gonna just finish with the keep my folio here, and after that I'm gonna do this thing, and after that I'm gonna start to do the Redux persist stuff. So this thing is the home page. Home page. I'm not sure I like this iOS search outline, so I'm gonna just change this icon now. Are you still there, Evan and Chris? Oh boy, what happened here? Okay, search. And I'm gonna take this MD search, I think. Or iOS search. iOS search, I think it's gonna be better. Like that. What do you think about this theming stuff? It take a good amount of time to figure out, but now, yeah, for now. So now I'm gonna just change this. Oh, really? I think I'm gonna maybe just go back with Visual Studio Code. I think it's happening because of Adam take too much. I think Adam take too much CPU, and that's why I keep reloading. Let me know if that go more with this thing. I think it's my CPU right now. It's crazy. Yeah, let me know if that go better now with this thing. So now, I mean, I don't really need a compose here. I can just create. I can just do this and say. Now here I can change everything. First thing, root its car background. But I'm gonna maybe destructuring here. Perfect. So now just to make sure that work. Do now the string is better. Perfect, yeah. So Atom, it's bad for steering. Okay, so now this thing gonna work. But I need to change. think that was in the car. Car style, I'm sure. Hmm. Oh, yeah. For me, man, it's. I mean, this. If I remember, in 2008, who was the bad people? Who, like in 2000, like take more in the silver and stuff like that, and who make money on top of everyone and get charged, I think, 16 billion or something like that. I mean, I just think, like, if you look at this, the people now and is more scarce. So I have Boy Moyer this morning, but the thing is, I just think they just know that can take more place, and they are scared about that. That's why I'm. You, what do you think about that? Oh yeah, and what do you feel about this? Yeah, I know it's. But I mean, the one I put the. Oh yeah, I know. I think yeah, like for a 25 bucks pizza in Domino, something like that. Yeah. But the one I follow a lot, it's IOTA, just because I really love the technology they put behind. So yeah, so the name is car stack. I'm gonna do like this one. Uh, function. Maybe I don't need the connect stuff here. What I maybe need, it's oh, maybe that was. Nope. For now, I don't gonna play with the card. What I'm gonna do, it's finally I'm gonna just say I'm gonna just take the I'm gonna do the connect here. And I'm gonna pass as a props to the coin. Tabak pa lang yun. Title, holding text, price USD. Remember that, total text. Title. Title. Price USD, I think. Holding text. This is what I say. Title, holding text, price USD text, and total text. It's gonna be changed here. I see. Hey, thank you, Freddy. Yeah, Chris, it's I think for me it's like more and more people talk about that, more and more that's gonna just really go further than we think. This is all I think, but I mean I'm pretty like I just started with that, so total text. What I say no more. Oh, that was because of this. This thing it's total text. Yeah, I think we're good with that for now. Maybe gonna need to change the green and the red. I think just the color it's Perfect. So now Redux persist. So I think Redux persist is pretty simple to install. So we say yarn add Redux persist. Here it's auto read rate, I think. Auto read rate, yep. And now here what I need is I need to take compose from Redux. I take this thing out, I say compose. And now at the end of this one, I mean, compose with DevTool, it's already the same thing, I think. Like that. After that, I go to my app. And inside my app, I need to import from Redux persist the persistor. And now here what I can do is I'm gonna need to create some state. I'm gonna say the app is ready, false by default. Okay. Now here what I'm gonna do, it's inside a component in mal. I'm gonna say persist store, we'll take the store. Also after that I'm gonna need to take an object where you say storage. Oops. And storage, finally I'm gonna put async storage coming from here. So you just told him which storage you take. Like that. After that, I'm gonna say whitelist. So which star I want to keep, I'm gonna say app for now. So I don't want other reducer to get this thing. And after that, I think here, after that, you have a callback where here I can just say this, that set state is really true. And now here I can take from Expo, I think. Oops. Can take from Expo the uploading. And now what I do is if this that state that ready. So if it's not is ready, return app loading. And now if you work, and I choose to take a light theme and I refresh my app, I'm supposed to keep at white. Boom. Oh, my sync storage work now. Only thing I'm gonna say is here I'm gonna create a variable called redo source whitelist. I'm gonna put that in the constant, I think. I'm gonna say app. I need to change this one. Oh, really? So with this setup, my team is set up. I'm gonna go to the wallet where I can already do the and also team. I think I'm gonna remove the animation. That's why I get some kind of laggy stuff coming from the left and the right. Yeah, you see it's better now. So now the only one I need to fix it's this one, and after that we go. Man, took a while. I'm gonna connect this one. And also from the type, I'm gonna need the state as app state and theme color. Here I'm gonna say model cryptocurrency connected. It's equal to connect. Where I can say theme equal to state.app.theme. And after that I can say here model cryptocurrency. And after that I can use this one here. So now I'm gonna have my theme. I just need to put that inside my props. And now what I can do, it's the root here who have wrapper. Here is gonna have a style of background color theme dot tab bar background tab colors. So now I can remove it from here. And now I can put that here and say theme equal this dot props dot theme. Like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like dark. I mean, it just I think 2 days ago, I showed that to one of my friends and just say that would be a great idea. I mean, it's just a feature you can add, and in the same time, I'm just learning how to use this kind of theme changing stuff. And you see, like I get some kind of laggy stuff because I think what happened now, it's my loading. It's still like black, but now. Yeah, I think just for that I'm gonna add the same value here. And now on my crypto item, I'm gonna have my type. Yeah. Kind of weird. Oops, it's not in the. Guys, why? Okay. Oh man. But it's okay, I've done just the job for this one. You see? I've done this job. Here I must have a title. Choose a crypto. And I'm also must have perfect. This one is done. So that was not, that was here. Add coin script. So the connect here I've done, I will have done this here and I will have passed it. Sorry about that. We are almost done. Temp color and state as app state. We close. Here we're gonna have theme as a theme color. After that, here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this page. This one gonna have state as app state. It's the last thing. Theme equal to state the app the theme. Perfect. So now my model crypto here, I don't need that anymore because I'm gonna receive that from the props. So here now I can say from my model theme equal this that props the theme. And now oops. No, I mean this thing I can keep it like here. It's we're gonna see the change. Thing root. Yep. Wrapper 2. Also card tab bar color now. We must be close now. I think here that came because of my yeah, I think it's because of this, because you see, yeah. And now choose a crypto, and I must have forget one title. Boom. What do you think of this, Evan and Chris? I think now it's done. Choose a crypto, Bitcoin. Oh shit. Close, close, close. Input, that's why. Only thing, input color. And now what we need to say, it's style. For this one. Better for me to doing it right there when I have not a lot. Then so choose a crypto, Bitcoin, and here you maybe say, oh yeah, but if the user enter GW, yeah, in that on real phone you're gonna have this keyboard. So I must have white somewhere. Here. Why? So now, boom, get here. Bitcoin cost 3,009. We lost a lot. And now I say I want to buy 2. I get this. I want to bet 23. I want to bet 21, like that. And I want to change the price because my friend sell it to 360, and now it works. The only thing I need to figure out now is gonna be really quick. It's gonna be the loading here, you see? So the only thing I need to do, it's this loading. Happen here. I think here I use my Redux store. So loading right there, okay? But this loading here, so someone keep having my you see, I have the blue. You see what I mean? And what is that? where that came. You think that came from app navigation? So I'm not sure, because here I'm gonna check. No, it's not there. So I go to my main nav, where I go to my home screen. Oh, it's because of the cards. No. I'm gonna show you why. One sec. I'm sure it's because of the card style. No. Because Redux persist here gonna happen in the din mount, and here the set state gonna only happening if this thing is ready. So it get called. So the first thing got is the app navigation. So app navigation is this thing right there. Who here gonna have view here, and after that the first page I got. So I must have here a background color. But maybe you maybe get through because my loading here don't have color, just the color here. But why get this blue thing? So here it's my animation. So somewhere here we use card background, crypto item, coin detail. Don't think it's the problem, because the coin detail is just this thing. Maybe I can change it right there. Gotta take one sec. I'm lucky I have Redis because you're supposed to have only 10 fetching each minute, so no, we still. I mean, if I do this and I refresh, dude, that's gonna be white. No, so somewhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go inside my constant and I'm gonna take this card background. Only one place. Or maybe this color here. Only one place. Oh, did you see? Oh yeah, so for now, I think we're gonna be good with that. But I like to work on dark mode, so... Boom. Another thing to do. Done. So now my main feature is this thing. After you choose a crypto, I should add this thing with the crypto you So I'm gonna still code 30 minutes, and after that I'm gonna stop. I need to record some video, and one of them is gonna be about flow type. I get this I get asked this about doing a video about that in the Discord. So, and I think I've done pretty good amount of flow time in the past day. So here. So I'm gonna save that in the reducer. I'm gonna save that with the cryptos. And my crypto here gonna have an initial state of entity is going to be an empty object. And so function crypto. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have multiple, so oh yeah. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I think it's something we're gonna start to see more and more and more, and I think will be good for people to just learn this thing. what I need is the price. It's not really what I'm gonna have. This is what I'm gonna have here as a price pay, and I'm gonna have a total. Yeah, but I can just keep it like that, and I'm gonna send. And what I'm gonna do, so now when I'm gonna submit here, I'm gonna call my function with the that boy and total amount pay. So this is what I need to do here. So add coin. So here I should have my submit button. Yeah, submit press. Submit press. Okay. So that's gonna be here. So now what I need to do is here I'm gonna have my function called coming from my action.cryptos, and that's gonna be add new coin. Maybe buy new coin. Now add new holding. So as a props, we're gonna have that, who's gonna be a type of new holding. At the bottom, I'm gonna put that right there. Now here I'm gonna call that here. This that props that new holding. But now here I'm gonna create a coin who's gonna have some value. Some of the values gonna be, it's gonna be what happened? Oh, I think it's the new update of iOS 11. So price pay is gonna be okay. So price pay, price total pay is gonna be equal to this total amount of the pay. Oh, what I've done. Okay. After that, I'm gonna have price by coin was the price. After that, I'm gonna have amount of coin. I'm gonna say total amount of crypto. After that, I'm gonna have name is gonna be equal to selected crypto that name. After that, I'm gonna have that boy. Now here I'm gonna get an error. Property cannot be accessed or possibility undefined value. So here I should just put invariant and say if I have no selected crypto, then selected crypto require. I'm gonna go to my data. I'm gonna create another data called holding data, who's gonna be finally what I've just add. Why this thing's gonna be a number. Price by coin is gonna be a number, I think. Total amount of dollar is gonna be a string, string, string. Wow. String, string, date. So now I can take this thing, go here, go to my index, export this thing from here, go in my action, import that, sequence is going to be equal to that. After that, I'm going to create my action. So this is the flow, even I almost always do with flow. It's after that you create your action. You say type add new holding action, where I'm gonna say type equal to this type. I'm gonna import here my holding data. I'm gonna say I want to return a coin of holding data. And now inside this action, export type action. By doing this, now all my reducer, like example this one, as you can see now, this reducer can have all this action. So you're gonna choose the one need. So example, now if I still copy paste this thing and I go there, now I can do something with that. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return the state for now, and I'm gonna say entity, entities, here is gonna be the same for each one, but here I'm gonna go with the action.id. You see, if I say action that coin that name, yeah. The thing, its name is gonna be in uppercase, so I should have ID too. So ID is gonna be a string, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with the ID. It's I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say ID crypto ID. Here, so I'm gonna have a crypto here. Now that's gonna be the problem here. Oh, I need to manage that. Because I want to keep track of each transaction you're gonna build. So example, if you have built a Bitcoin, oh, I know, huh? I'm gonna say Amon is gonna be better. And here what I'm gonna do, it's here I'm gonna say kind of, I think. I'm gonna say transaction ID. Gonna make more sense. And now here what I can do. Okay, I think it's time to start this one. To see how that's gonna work. Crypto, I have nothing. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. I'm gonna say I'm gonna buy 2 Bitcoin right there, and I'm gonna click submit. Okay, now you see I call my annual link. Why I put my full object right there, like that. Price Bitcoin and price total pay. It's really bad way, but you see now I have my. So now just by doing this, if I have add another one, example I call Ethereum, and I say I'm gonna buy 2, and I click here. Now I'm gonna get Ethereum here. And now if I buy another Bitcoin, what's gonna happen? Okay, now this thing is wrong. So I have a fix here to do, and a fix to do that inside the price. Price by coin and price total pay. Name and ID or any. So. So this is something I need to fix. But now I think this one's gonna work. If I say Ethereum and I buy 2 Ethereum, now this one's gonna have the ID number 1. And now if I say here buy another Bitcoin, I've paid only 1 now. So here I have another problem. One fix at a time. Here the problem. Like that. So I'm buying 1 Bitcoin. So I have my transaction here. I'm gonna buy another Bitcoin. I'm gonna buy 2. Yeah, now it works. Okay, so this stuff is done. Now why the price and total amount of dollar pay, it's not good. Okay, that's why. So yeah, I should say this at set state. Total amount pay. It's gonna be equal to the result. I think. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, but can I just get this thing? Oh. Oh boy, what did I do wrong? Hmm. Okay. Price crypto. Price in market. Price 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 USD. Oh, I know why. Here I should say price are selected crypto that price USD. Oh man. Close. No, I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Oh yeah, man. So now I just think I can remove this thing. And now where I do my get, I can just do this. Yeah, the market is pretty red. So what I've lost today, yeah, I lost here and I lost here again. $20, 57, and I also have some 27, 226. Wow. So why I've managed this way for the reducer, so just to make sure, we're gonna check back. I'm gonna show you why I've done that. I think it's surely not the best idea, but so if we look here, I'm gonna add a bit. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna buy a Bitcoin. Here I have a loading. I need to remove that. Here I'm gonna say I buy Bitcoin. I'm gonna say I buy 2 of them at maybe 3,870. I'm gonna say I buy this. So now if we look at my entities, I'm gonna have my transaction here. After that, I'm gonna say example, I buy some Ethereum. I buy 23. I'm gonna save that too. So now you see I have this transaction. Now I'm gonna say I buy again some Bitcoin. I buy 4. So now what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, now I have the transaction of. So finally, I almost created my own kind of DB. It's just because I don't have like a DB, like I'm not gonna have a server yet. Just for now. So this way, like what I do is I save my transaction, and now I can see like I can create inside the crypto. I can maybe create like a price total pay. I can just sum this with all other one. Like that. How much did you pay? So this way you know how much you pay in total. Also, yeah, so this way I can say how many profit you have and stuff like that. I'm gonna need to change the date too for the picker. Oh my god. Yeah, I think that's gonna be that for tonight. I'm cutting from. I start at 5 a.m. so I'm really tired right now. I hope you enjoyed. And because I'm gonna quit, I'm gonna surely start to record some video tonight and post it tomorrow. Or I'm gonna record that really early tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy. Again, the repo is inside the description. So if you want to see the code, add reducer for keep track of transaction. Really. Oh, thank you, Ivan. I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna quit and I'm gonna maybe come back later or tomorrow and I'm gonna record my video. Hope you enjoyed. We talk later. Bye.